My self-made mini greenhouse was already successful. Welcome to another video. You still hear it in my voice. I have been so sick. It's the first day today without antibiotics and I feel like I need to really do something different. I will make sure I rest as well, but I have been here sorting a little bit through my seeds. Let's check my little greenhouse. And there are a few seeds that apparently can go already into the ground here in Portugal right now. We are in the middle of February, so let's see that. The greenhouse is doing a good job. This is cauliflower and radishes. The peas don't look so well. They seem to have molded. Maybe it was too wet for them. And here are the seeds for the garden. A friend gifted us some asparagus plants. She had to move out from her apartment. She had their little backyard and asparagus plants that are already in their third year. So the first year that they could have harvest, she had to move out. So let's find a new home for them. This is the spot in question. I am cleaning it. Roughly. Before I can plant them, let's take something to cover this up, because the chickens will come to have lunch. Yeah, she's calling already. Well, this looks really successful in terms of space, actually. We don't have a big greenhouse yet. Maybe next winter we will add a greenhouse to our projects. But right now I'm trying my best with these two plastic boxes, and they have been partially successful. Just not successful in the sense of when it became now more sunny, I did not know that I should open them regularly. And so probably a lot of seeds burned from these seeds that I'm putting right now. So I had to do another batch. And we also just bought a few little seedlings from the market, from the local market here. So don't worry too much about your setup. I actually found, I can share that in the next video, that buying the seedlings would be probably for our size of garden more cost efficient to do that instead of packages of seeds when I don't actually need that many plants. So do what works for you. This setup can work if you don't forget to open them up a little bit. The heating worked great to start the plants. Then I hope you enjoyed the video and see you very soon. Bye!